How to put an image behind text in your Word. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's just dive right into it. First of all, open up your Word document. And after you open a Word document, just find the text that you want in front. And after you do that, let's insert a picture. Now you can simply drag and drop the picture or go ahead to the insert option here and tap on pictures and choose this device. Now it does not matter from where you get the picture, but after you insert the picture, you will need to select the picture. Now you want this picture behind this text or this text in front of this picture. So just select the picture here and go to picture format. You will see the picture format option on the top right. And after you do so, you will see wrap text option. Go to wrap text and here you will see an option called behind text. Now there is in front text, top and bottom and so many more, but simply choose behind text option, and after you do so your text will be on the front. Now you can just readjust this picture, just place it wherever you want, and yeah, that is basically how you do it. Now you can insert more pictures if you want, so let me show this to you guys again. Now, if I choose this picture, go to picture format again, go to wrap text and behind text. So now I can just move this around, and yeah, that is basically how you do it. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for this video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.